So guys, I have been teaching this parabolic SAR strategy for a long time now because it works like crazy. Okay, so whenever these dots are forming below these candles and the second dot is about to form, then you need to make trade by clicking on higher. And whenever these kind of dots are forming above the candles and second dot is about to form, at that time you need to make trade by clicking on lower. So this is the simple basic strategy that you need to understand, and we will be trading in 5 second time frame, as you can see here, S5, and our trading time frame is also 5 second, and you need to decide the amount that you want to invest in each trade. So we just need to see where this single dot is forming in which chart, and then we need to make the trade. You can make all of this currency pair your favorite. So now let's begin without doing any delay, and make sure to like this video and do watch this video till the end so that it can help this video to reach to more people like you and me who want to learn trading in the right way. So you just need to keep on switching this currency pair. Here you can see second dot at form, and in this candle you could have made profit. Strategy is very simple, and you need to remember one thing: not all of your trades are going to go right, but most of your trades are going to go right by using this strategy. So here you can see second dot have formed, and we have made the trade and we have made the profit also. Now in here you can see here is a 46% payout. You need to cut this kind of currency pair. Okay, you don't need to make trade in such low payout. Just keep on switching the currency pair. Also, you can try in your demo account for this strategy. Here you can see second dot have formed, but we have missed the trade. Now sometimes these things happen. Okay, so you need to keep on switching this currency pair. So let's see, I think here we could have got, oh no, we missed this trade also, second dot. How did we miss it? Here also we could have made profit. So this strategy is very simple and straightforward. So you need to keep on switching these currency pairs. So you can see second dot I formed. We missed this trade. Okay, you can stay in long for a single currency pair and see if you can make the trade. And here you can see the second dot was about to form, so we made the trade here. Now let's see what happens in this trade. We made the loss. That's fine. Now you need to keep on switching in order to find another currency pair, where here you can see we have found one and we have made the trade, but the markets went suddenly down, but still we were profitable. You can see how powerful this strategy can be if you use it with a calm mind. So here also you can see one dot have formed. Now timer it's 1 second, so we made the trade in the lower direction because second dot have formed here, so we made the profit. So guys, this strategy is this much simple. Okay, you can test it in your demo account, and if you want to copy my trades automatically in your pocket option account, then you can join my free telegram channel. Okay, we use this social trading feature. I'll give you my UID and you can copy my trades. And make sure to like this video